Hey guys, check out this weather. Finally, holy mackerel. Look at this weather. We've been getting storm after storm after storm for the last couple weeks. And I just bought myself a new microwave. I normally don't use those, but to make life easier, I got one. So it's on its way within the next couple minutes. I was surprised that company, and I won't mention the name, because I believe they destroyed every mom and pop's business that there is. So let's see if I can jump down here. Where is it? Boom. There we go. We're down there. So I want to thank you all, and and there's a few of you out there, some really excellent people, but I'd rather not say. I got a beautiful package in the mail. Some just absolutely gourmet tea cookies, tea biscuits. They're so good, and and they got a little treasure chest with that, with some like Swedish fish in them. I don't know if you remember them from your childhood, but that's what's in there. I'm waiting for this guy to cave in. That the delivery message I just got said that they'll be here within the next couple minutes. So I'm gonna run downstairs and go wait for the delivery person, because I don't know if I can carry that up myself. And cops in the area got all new laws in New Jersey about these e-bikes. You gotta register and everything to have them. So man, you just can't get around that easily. I will be talking at you folks later. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna fire up that microwave on some TV dinners. I'll talk to you later.